Hi guys, thank you so much for joining me today for this glute workout. As always, we will have 40 seconds on and 10 seconds off. Let's begin in a tabletop position with some fire hydrants option here to go onto your elbows.
I've been going nowhere lately. It's time to start all over and go for it. 'Cause they don't even know me yet. But that's something I don't regret. Every night I close my eyes and see only lavender dreams, baby. What can I do when a million things are running through? Million things I can't undo. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk.
Finishing in 3, 2, 1. Amazing. Place your left hand flat on the floor so you can stack your shoulders a little bit more so that when we do these knee and hip circles, we can open our hips a little bit more while engaging the glutes. This one looks easier than it is, trust me, but keep going. 40 seconds on each side.
Dreams, baby.
Amazing. Keeping the left leg as the working leg, go onto your elbows in our tabletop once again. Tap your left toe behind you and draw a little rainbow going up and down towards the back corners of your mats. Let's go. Lifting up and crossing to the back. Lifting up and crossing to the outside corner of the mat. Keep going.
Don't wanna wake up.
Finishing in 3, 2, 1. We do everything on the second side, starting with the fire hydrants with our right leg, going into the knee circles, and then these rainbows. Let's get started in 3, 2, 1. With fire hydrants to the right side, belly button to spine. Finishing in 3, 2, 1. Amazing. Take a quick 10-second breather, and then we place our right hand flat on the floor, left elbow on the floor to continue with our knee circles. This is really a hip circle motion, but I like to say knee circles because it's a little bit easier to visualize drawing a circle with your knee. Keep going.
Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Too many things going on, I can't keep track of them all. From people dropping a bomb to people putting up walls. I feel like life is on hold, perception stuck in a vault. I know that time can heal all, but how much time till we fall? It's awfully chilly outside.
Finishing in 3, 2, 1. Last thing on the right leg, we have our rainbow toe taps towards the back. So let's begin in 4, 3, 2, 1. On our elbows, belly button to spine. Think of lifting by squeezing your right glute rather than lifting by lowering your belly button. Keep the belly button moving to your spine. Keep going.
Or just the start of it. I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one breaks their promises. Or maybe drown myself in something that is bottomless. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back.
Finishing in 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. Next, let's swing our legs around, lower all the way down onto our back, and we finish this entire workout with our glute bridges with pulses at the top. So lift up to a glute bridge, tuck your pelvis under, lift your heels, and squeeze to lift. Keep doing these little micro pulses by squeezing your glutes. Take your belly button to your spine and think of slightly tucking under. Keep going.
But I can feel it's tense, don't know the consequence. The volatility of life, my only confidence. Is this an argument, or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument, or just the start of it? I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it.
Finishing in 3, 2, 1. Beautiful work. You guys did amazing. Don't forget to stretch after. Take a few figure 4s and heels on knee, knee on heel stretches. Thanks again for watching. Have a great rest of your day. Stay safe, happy dancing, and bye now.
Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew